How to auto-translate Messenger messages. So if you want to auto-translate the messages in Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application and go with a chat. Once you're under the chat, now you need to go with messages or message bar, and you just need to simply go with the settings option and make sure to add a language. Once you've added your language or your keyboard, now what you need to do is go with the left side of your keyboard, which has that 4 square shaped icons. Once you tap on it, you will have Google Translate option, right? So tap on Translate, and here you will be having 2 languages. So choose the first language as your language and the second language as the other person's language. So for example, I'll be choosing Arabic. Once you've chosen, now you need to write something in English, and it will automatically translate that in Arabic, and you can send that. Or you can also choose other languages. For example, I'll be choosing Chinese. After that, write your message and send. So that's how you can auto translate Messenger messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.